Okay, so this time I want to address laxatives, the use of laxatives, why they are used, and what are the possible choices, and also what are the possible complications. So, laxatives. So, first and foremost, it's used to treat constipation. So, what is constipation? Constipation is when the frequency of stool passage is less than 3 times in a week. And what that means, not only is the frequency important, but it's also the consistency, like how hard is it, and also is there effort related to it. And effort could be translated into something like excessive straining, and also sometimes the physical use of habits related to the usage of hands and all that to aid the process. So that is what constipation is. Laxatives are used to combat that, and they can do that in different ways. There is a wide array of choices, but the choices are based on different modalities or modalities of action. So if you take a look at that, the problem is in, like for example, there are many types. I have listed a few on there, but first we will see at having enough bulk. So one of the type of laxatives gives you bulk. When there's more bulk, there's more source for peristalsis, and there's actually more to pass. So that is one form of laxative. An example that falls under this category would be methyl cellulose, or any kind of general dietary fiber can be considered to be a bulky type of laxative. Another one would be softener. Softener is one of those things that retains water and causes that, it gives like adds water to the feces and then makes it soft, as the name states, right? Stool softener makes it soft with retention of water. That's the simplest way to put it. Another way would be basic hydration by saline. Saline is basically 0.9% in sodium chloride solution. So hydration with saline. And another agent would be magnesium sulfate. Now, how does magnesium sulfate work, or any magnesium agent? So it works by not exactly hydration, but what it does is it retains water, and this causes dilation, or it causes a force to be exerted on the walls of the intestine, and then aids by generating a stimulant-like activity. Peristalsis is promoted with magnesium because it provides water, like the pressure inside the colon builds up because of water remaining there, retention, and that causes peristalsis. A final one would be a stimulant like an agent that actively increases intestinal peristalsis, like bisacodyl. So again, a summary would be bulk forming, stool softener, hydration, magnesium, and active peristaltic agents. Now furthermore, this is not the end of it. Sometimes the overuse. So because you are now using laxatives to aid a normal process, the normal process in turn might be affected. So there can be atony. What that means is atony. So what that means is there is a lack of tone. So the intestines are now not contracting. Then certain other irritable syndromes, irritable bowel disease. Yeah, so like that, certain complications are there.